my name's Allison, and I am here today to show you how to use Beanstack. So the website is slib.beanstack.org, and it will be linked on the front page of our website. So to create an account, you click right here, register an individual or family. It's going to ask if you've used Beanstack before. You're going to say no. Who would you like to register? Register yourself or register a child. So we are going to say I'm registering myself. And then here is where it's asking for your information. So I'm just going to make up a name here. Username, you can make it whatever you want. You can put your email in there. I do recommend it. And then when you log in, you can either log in with your username or your email address. Phone number, I'm just going to make one up. Password. Has to be 6 characters. And then it's going to ask how old you are. That's just for statistics purposes. What grade will you be in the fall? You can say adult, or if you're an adult, or whatever grade your child is in. And then local area. Okay, so I have the summer reading shows up here. The start date is June 6th, not May 26th. That's just the day I'm recording this video, so I had to make that change. So this will pop up, and you're just going to click register. And then it does want you to choose a gender. And then badge unlocked. So I will show you what that means in a minute. I'm going to click next. And then if you would like to add your partner or another adult who lives with you, you can. I'm just going to say no for now. And this is also where you would add any kids you have, but I'm going to say no to that as well. So this is what the page looks like when you're logged in. So as you can see, the summer reading challenge is right here on the front page. I'm going to click into it. So it gives a little bit of a description. It shows how far you've gotten. It shows what kind of badges you've earned. So with Beanstack, there are badges for every day you read. This year we are doing days read instead of minutes to make it a little easier and also to encourage that daily habit of reading. So I earned a badge for registering, and so every time you earn a badge, you also earn a ticket. Okay, and what that means is we have a bunch of awesome grand prizes here through all these local businesses. And so what you do with your tickets is you enter these drawings. So if you read every day of this summer reading challenge, by the end you will have 61 tickets to enter into these grand prize drawings. Okay? And then we also have different rewards. So if you click on the rewards tab here, you'll be able to see them. So if you read for 10 days, you will get a water bottle and free ice cream from the front porch. If you read 25 days, adults will get a tote bag and kids will get a drawstring backpack. And then if you read for 40 days, all ages will get a free book of your choice. So once you read 10 days, you can come in and claim your prize. Once you read 25 days, you can come in and claim your prize. And then once you read 40 days, you can come in and claim your prize. So there's 3 prizes you can earn for this program. You could wait until you read all 40 days and then come and get all your rewards at once, or you could come in 3 separate times. It's up to you. So to log our reading, if you look on the top left here, it says say log reading. So I'm going to click on that. And the only option is days because that is what we're doing for this challenge. So whatever day you read, you just click on that date and it will register it, and you can add title and author if you want. You don't have to. It's kind of for your own benefit. But I'm just going to click log reading. And I unlocked another badge because I read one day, so I earned one more ticket. And then there is going to be a button that pops up that says you can just go straight here and enter a drawing. And as you can see up here now, I have 2 tickets to spend. So all of your tickets have to be spent by August 5th. That's the last day of the program. So make sure before that date you log in and spend all your tickets so that you don't have any that you miss. And that's the program. If you have any questions, please reach out and ask, and we will be happy to help you. And I hope you enjoy our summer reading program. Thank you.